Hello students, welcome back to your IT class. In this video we talk about some topics of cyber safety, that are proper usage of passwords, ways in which your password may be cracked, and choosing good passwords. So passwords are an important form of protection for you online. You can enter into an online account only if you know the correct password for opening it. When you want to enter in a room, when you want to enter in a place, then you need to unlock the lock. Same here in online processing. When you want to enter in any kind of online account, you need to crack, or you need to know the password through which you can enter in your account. Since passwords gives you the entry to an online account, it is important to keep it secure as well. Creating a secure password is an important part of protecting you online. So a strong password, how a strong password, or you can say how a password helps you. It helps you to keep your personal information safe, protect your email files and other content accounts, and prevent someone from breaking into your account. Okay, so these are the benefits how you can secure your data or information with the help of your passwords. Next, ways in which your password may be cracked. How your passwords may be cracked. First is someone out to get you. Some people desperately trying to get access to your account might be able to guess your email password and use passwords recovery options to access your other accounts. If some other person want to know your account, your password of different kinds of account, it may be bank account, it may be your social media account. So if someone wants to get to know that yes, I want to access the account of that person, then it may be cracked. You become the victim of brute force attack. What is brute force attack? It is the many guesses of eventually and correctly of password. These attacks work by systematically checking all possible passphrases until the correct one is found. In this, brute force means eventually or correctly, means all the passwords, all the guesses will be systematically guessed by the hacker, and eventually it will be correct. So that is brute force attack. Okay, next is there are data breach. There's a data breach. Every few months, it seems another huge company reports a hacking result in millions of people's account information being compromised. This way, your account detail may also get leaked, including passwords. Data breach means internet means data breach is a way or method in which all the information, it may be internet initially or initially. Okay, so your data will be secure private data information to passed to the untrusted environment. Okay, your data will be passed or transferred to the untrusted environment. Okay, in this your data may be cracked. Next topic is choosing good password. How you can choose your good password. Choosing effective password is very crucial, and equally is crucial to keep them confidential. Also, it is recommended that you change your password after a few months while choosing or deciding password for you. You should keep in mind following things: that your password should no dictionary words, no proper nouns, or no foreign words. It is useful that if you will not use dictionary words, proper nouns, or foreign words. Next one is no personal information. While you are choosing or creating a password of your accounts, then try to not to include personal information. Okay, next is use longer password. While you are creating a password, your first choice will be a longer password. Okay, you have to choose a longer password, as you can include uppercase, lowercase, alphabet, different kinds of alphabets. Okay, next is use passphrases to remember complex passwords. You should use passphrases like password for my site, is this one. So these are the passphrases you can easily remember. Don't use complex one. Okay, do not repeat passwords on different websites. If you are a regular user on internet, then you should avoid the repeated passwords on different websites. You should apply say different passwords on different websites and keep in mind to while you are opening it. Okay, so don't assume that once you have developed a strong password you should use again and again all on all websites. No, it is wrong. You have to create long passwords for different websites. Okay, so use different passwords on different system and accounts. Don't use passwords that are based on personal information. Use a combination of capital and lowercase, uppercase, special characters. Don't use the words that can be found in your dictionary or any other language, and develop mnemonics such as passphrases for remembering complex passwords. These are the important points while you are creating a password. These are the choosing good passwords. Okay, so read this chapter up to here, and if you are facing any kind of problem, then you can talk to me or you can ask from me anytime. Thank you.